Hey guys, welcome back to CMB Bassin. Today we're back on Chickamauga. We're here in Harrison Bay. We're going to be throwing. We're going to pretty much be staying right here in Harrison Bay today. I know there's going to be some big ones that are back up in here. Just a matter of finding them. But today temp's going to get up in the 60s. Right now it's probably mid 40s, upper 40s, and water temp is showing 53 right now. It might go down a little bit since we just put in, but so we're hoping we're going to try to beat the bank and trying to maybe fish it within 8 feet and below. Probably what we're going to try to aim at. Also want to say thanks for the last video that we have. It has gotten over 1,000 views. But today we're fishing with a red chatterbait with a fire crawl Kitech on it. I got it on the hollow point old 18 medium heavy rod. Also going to throw a lipless crankbait. You see we've already been beating the tar out of that sucker. And then the old Berkeley frit side. We've been tearing them up on this Berkeley frit side. So hopefully we're going to be finding some fish and being able to knock them out. We're going to throw these stuff and just bounce them off everything that we can bounce it off, trying to get a reaction bite. Also March 19th we have a tournament going on, 50 legs POA of Chattanooga fishing tournament. It's going to be out of Dayton, Tennessee, and if you can sign up at Jack's Bait and Tackle, or you can do it online. You can also do it the day of the tournament. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, we're gonna have raffle tickets there. Also, we got a bunch of baits. We got big companies like Power Pole. I want to say Strike King. We've got all the bait tackles shops here in Chattanooga is going to be has donated stuff to it. We've got rods that are going to be raffled off. Stuff from Power Pole. We got some fish scent stuff from a company that Norman Lee is affiliated with, and I want to say thanks to Norman for helping us out. And also we're going to get out 2 videos a week, Mondays and Fridays. And other than that, you ready to get fishing, Scott?
Yes sir, let's go. Get it.
Let's rock and roll, brother.
Red chatterbait.
Yep.
He looked decent size.
Yeah. Not as big as that other one, but it was. Got him. Ah.
Red chatterbait.
Yep.
He looked decent size.
Yeah. Not as big as that other one, but it was.
You got him?
This big old monster. Hey, hold it up right next to the.
Makes it look gigantic.
Yeah.
Where's your green pumpkin at? 'Cause I mean,
Got it. Yeah, I'm letting it go all the way to the bottom. And it's just kind of, it's boring is what it is, but.
how did you? Well, what's his name? Did yours, didn't he?
No, you remember I broke off that?
Oh.
That's one of them EWG ones.
Yeah, but I'm just saying, I hate trying to do the Z-man.
Oh, yeah. And I thought he was bigger than that when he hit.
Oh, yeah.
He actually hit it.
Yeah. Yeah, because they're so far, they're so darn deep.
That's going to be a funny hook set, too.
Will it?
Yeah. I mean, it went like this.
Oh.
I mean, none of those are going to win us any kind of tournaments, but.
Oh, yeah, but we're not out here fish time.
Ooh.
Right now. Yeah, another one?
I had a hit, yeah.
We'll worry about tournaments when we're actually saying, hey, this Saturday, let's go fish one.
Yeah.
And I'm still on that.
Oh, yeah.
Needle.
Yeah.
I don't care. He hit it. Good. Hey, guys, what's wrong with y'all? Y'all need some help? Huh? Y'all need some help? We'll show y'all how to do it. Look at that beast. Look at it. And he hit that. I mean, like you said, hit it, you know.
It was on the way down, and it took the last one was
Mine
when
was
I
on
was.
the way up, but I'm talking, I mean, it's like as I was coming up, he was swimming with it. There we go. That's 4 for today. We ain't bragging, but hey.
Oh gosh. Golly.
There you go. That's a better one. There you go. Was you right on the bank?
Yeah.
That way while you're fighting that one, I can see if there's another one in there. There you go. So I'd say my pliers are in my tackle box. There you go.
That's good. Pound, and maybe pound and a quarter.
Yeah, right. I like you agreeing.
Whew. Huh?
I think you go a pound.
Maybe a pound and a quarter on a good scale. Heck yeah. Hey, Dad, you gonna hold him?
See what it feels like?
Good. Hey guys, welcome to CME Bassin. Today we got former FLW Tour Pro Norman Lee here with us, and a good friend took us out and we tried to catch a few fish, but today was just rough out there. The wind was blowing pretty brutal, but he did also, I want to tell him thanks for taking us out, and also I got clips of him and I'll have it on the video of him telling us and demonstrating how he uses his drop shot, and the fish that some fish catches that he had on the drop shot. So Norman, thank you for doing that for us. And then also, you know, you don't see too much of old Scott Goodrich, but because most of the time he's behind the scenes when we're doing this, but so we just want to say thanks, Norman, for taking us out, and we really do appreciate it, and thanks for helping us get out with the 50 legs and POA tournament that we're doing here March 19th, and that's going to be in Dayton, Tennessee, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Colin and Scott, thanks a lot, man. We had fun today. We always have fun every time we go.
Every time.
Looking forward to the 50 legs tournament, and appreciate you asking me to help, you know, get involved with this thing too.
It means a lot. Means a lot for you to help us.
Yeah. Looking forward to it. Can't wait.